Back. Well, more on the markets. We have some F&O strategies lined up. Gaurav Bissa, the derivatives analyst at LKP Securities, joins in. Gaurav, hi. Thanks very much for joining in. First, wanted to start with your Nifty strategy.
Yeah, good morning. The Nifty's movement, if you look at the overall picture in last few trading sessions, it has been one of the range-bound move. We are expecting that the range-bound move to continue to at least next 7 to 8 trading sessions. It might even spill over to the April series as well. The option distribution as well as the future segment is not showing any marked improvement in last 7 or 8 trading sessions. A long unwinding and some amount of short covering has been seen in the Nifty, and it's becoming very obvious for Nifty to give short-term trades where around 86.50 spot levels one can go long, and vice versa the sell trade can be initiated at 87, 80, 8800 odd levels. So it becomes quite obvious, and 8500 strike put option, 9000 strike call option still command the highest option concentration. Thus, keeping that view in the mind, I'm suggesting an April series contract option strategy wherein one can sell 8500 strike put option and 9000 strike call option. Total inflow of premium is around 150. I'm targeting a target of 90 and below, and the stop loss can be kept at 185.
Okay, Gaurav, hi, morning. Let's talk about some stocks then. Adani Port.
Adani, after witnessing a good amount of correction to around 305, 310, has witnessed a bounce back on account of short covering, which again is a very strong indicator. Apart from that, the stock has now started witnessing some amount of long positions, so it's a very good scenario for the stock. The stock can test 335 odd levels in the near term. So I'm recommending to go long on 330 strike call option. The target would be a conservative target of 7 rupees and the stop loss at 2.
Okay. And you have a call on Glenmark as well?
Yeah, the entire pharma space, especially the mid-cap pharma space, has been buzzing. Glenmark Pharma has been one of the underperformers so far. It has now started witnessing a bounce back again. Another stock to witness good amount of short covering. Today, the intraday long positions are clearly evident in the stock. Another interesting factor was the 860 strike call option was witnessing huge amount of activity. So I recommend going long on 860 call option for target of 30 and above with the stop loss at 8.
Okay, fair enough. Disclosures?
No personal holdings in the stocks discussed today, but it is possible that I may have recommended them to a client at LKP Securities.
Okay. All right, Gaurav. Thanks very much for joining in. Those are some strategies on the F&O space.